Hello, 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 beautiful people. My name is Chanel Spencer. I am an author, six-time best-selling author, speaker, and CEO of Maximum Evolution. And I help women to evolve and transform into the woman that they are destined to be and help them to create their own table because we are no longer waiting for seats at anybody else's table. We're just going to go and build our own. But today I am here to talk about the amazing boot camp. It was such a phenomenal experience. I actually did it twice. The first time was thebomb.com. And so I needed to come back for more because I had another project that I wanted to get out and done. It was amazing. It was worth every single second. And once it was done, I was fiending for more. Like, when is the next one? Can you please schedule it tomorrow? It was really, really phenomenal. And, with me being in these boot camps, it has literally helped me to, one, pre-sell. I pre-sold my first book. I got 80 copies sold in like a blink of an eye. That was like amazing. That strategy helped me in so many ways. I was just like, okay, I have a book written, but how am I going to sell it to people, right? So the pre-selling strategy that was taught, game changing, right? The way that we were able to get our book done in less than 48 hours, game changing. When I say you game changing, game changing. It was a phenomenal experience for sure. And the greatest takeaway that I got was definitely the pre-selling strategy, as well as tools for me to get my book done without even having to type. Like, what? Where? Like, where? Who was going to teach you this? Who was going to give you those tools? Who was going to give you the resources to like literally make money starting today? Like, literally, you don't even have to have your book started yet, and you can literally sell your book. Like who is going to teach you that? So the boot camp is so worth it in every single way, right? And then, and then for anybody that is like on the fence on as to whether or not they want to join, let me tell you something. It is worth it. Like, any doubt that you have in your mind about why you don't want to do it, leave it, just throw it out. Like, it's probably fair or something that, no, I promise you, and me being in it 2 times and patiently waiting for the third, it is so beneficial. I promise you, if you really truly want to write a book, you really truly want to be an author, whether it's your first time, second time, third time, everybody has a book within them. And this program will literally help you to get your book done within the dates that are set. Like, there's no questions asked. All you have to do is do the work. And she provides the platform, the resources, the literally the replays, everything. So you can go back. I promise you, is worth every minute, every second. I didn't want it to end, right? And then look, because I accomplished the goal of getting my book 80% done, I actually was 100% done by the end of the boot camp. Look what I got. I got my certified authorpreneur shirt. Yes. Are we broke? Absolutely not. Are we stressed? No way. Are we pressed? Absolutely not. But we are certified authorpreneurs, period. Okay. And look what else came in the mail. Look, I feel official tissue. Like, who's telling me anything? You can't tell me anything. Like, no, you can't. Like, Book Profits Club, you need that in your life too. I promise you, game changing. I promise you, game changing. And I got my hot and 24 karat gold plated. Yes. And then got this lovely, lovely book by the Mystery Vision Avant. Like, what? She is phenomenal. So thank you again for developing this program. Thank you again for all that you do. Thank you for all the encouragement. Thank you for all the resources. Thank you for all that you teach and how you help guide and support us throughout the whole entire process. And the tools, like, it's just phenomenal. So if you are still in doubt after this, I don't know what to tell you. I don't. So just sign up today. And if there isn't anyone that's sign up for the next one. I promise you, it's going to be worth it. Like, you're going to be on the edge of your seat waiting. And even before you even start the official boot camp, you get resources and instructional stuff to do to help you in preparation for it. I promise you, it's so worth it. But anyway, my name is Chanel Spencer. And I I appreciate everything that Miss Taria Vision Avant is doing with this boot camp. And you definitely 100% have my permission to use this and my comments as a testimonial for the book writing success. Absolutely, for future marketing, you absolutely have my authorization. Again, thank you. I appreciate you.